We're now going to demonstrate how prohibited items can be concealed on two people, one male, one female. The items concealed will not cause the metal detector to alarm. We're now going to ask our male actor to walk through the archway metal detector, which has been set at a high degree of sensitivity. As you can see, there was no alarm. Let's look at where he managed to conceal the items. Item number 1 is a perfectly normal looking pen, capable of writing in the normal way. However, this pen conceals a pepper spray. Item number 2 is an improvised personal protection device in a small cardboard folder. Inside the folder are 2 surgical scalpel blades. Item number 3 is known as the Blackie Collins folder. This knife is high impact plastic, there are no metal components. Item number 4 is a rubber flexible cosh. Item number 5 looks like a kiddie's toy and is called a tenouchi. It is actually a striking weapon combined with a garrote. Item number 6 is known as the cat. It is a Japanese fighting knife made out of a non-metallic compound called Zytel. This time we've asked a female actor to walk through our archway metal detector.
Hi, is it okay to go in with that?
Is it plastic?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Once again, the alarm was not activated. We will now explain where these items have been concealed. Item number 1, a perfectly innocent looking comb. It is manufactured from a high impact plastic and conceals a double-edged 4-inch blade. Item number 2, a knuckle duster or hand load made from nylon purposely for a female hand. Item number 3, a bracelet or bangle made from plastic concealing an inch-long razor-sharp blade. Item number 4, concealed inside the bra is a lady's lipstick. When revealed, it shows a sharp knitting needle point. Item number 5, a wallet in the back pocket of the trousers. Contains ordinary credit cards. However, one credit card has a razor blade taped to the back. Item number 6 are 2 component parts of an improvised explosive device. The detonator, concealed inside the bra. The second component part is approximately 2 kilos of Semtex explosive. Of course, it's possible to conceal items which may cause the archway metal detector to alarm. These items would still be difficult to detect, even with a subsequent pat-down search. Here, a male passenger causes an alarm.
Excuse me, sir, do you have any objections to me carrying out a body search? No.
And the screener conducts a traditional airport-style pat-down search.
Okay, it's probably just your belt there, sir. Okay, thank you very much.
The cause of the alarm remains unresolved. In reality, the items were concealed as follows. Item number 1 is a clutch pencil that takes a normal pencil lead. However, this example contains a steel spike. Item number 2 is a plastic money holder. This has been adapted into a defense weapon which contains a craft knife. Item number 3 is a standard wristwatch. However, a disc knife has been glued to the base of the watch, which contains a razor-sharp blade. Item number 4 is a pound coin, but could in fact be any coin. This has been adapted into a defense weapon and contains a sharp blade. Item number 5 is a homemade zip gun, capable of discharging a .22 round with a simple spring mechanism. And item number 6 is a commercially manufactured plastic comb. It contains a 4-inch razor-sharp double-edged blade. We can now see this on a female actor. Here, a female actor causes an alarm.
Excuse me, madam. I'll need to conduct a body search. Do you have any objections?
No.
And the screener conducts a traditional airport-style body search. No threatening item is detected, and the cause of the alarm remains unresolved. In reality, the items were concealed as follows. Item number 1 is a spring-loaded steel spike disguised as a pen. Item number 2 is a twin-shot .22 caliber pistol. Item number 3 is called a leaf knife. It is a fashion pendant that disguises a razor-sharp blade. Item number 4 is a cigarette lighter which conceals a switchblade knife. Number 5 is a mini hand grenade. And item number 6 is a .22 single-shot CIA Stinger. Once again, she has managed to conceal a component